When we log into Canvas Workspace, we do have the option to load up one of the ready-to-go projects that have been designed by Brother. There are many different styles to choose from, covering all sorts of different genres and occasions. Now, scrolling through all of these, because there are literally hundreds, would be quite time-consuming and not so easy, so we do have this handy search bar at the top. There are already some keywords for searching for different types of crafting or special occasions. However, if we want to create something in particular, let's say for example a bookmark, if we type in the word bookmark and press enter, that will then load up any projects that have bookmark in the title. To clear that search filter, we just click on the X over here. Let's now take a deeper look into what comes within a Canvas project. So if I move my cursor over one of the thumbnails and click on it, it will then load up what is available for that project. So in this case, we can see we have a preview image, a video which is streamed through YouTube, a recipe guide, so that's what you will need and how you achieve the project, the ability to download all of the parts in one zipped file, or we have the cutting map preview up here which will show the cutting files and also give us the option to download them either via a USB stick or a Wi-Fi connection if we have that registered and set up. If there is more than one mat's worth of cutting files available for the project, there will be more than one mat here. Hence why we have the option to download all the parts. If I want to just jump into edit something before I send it to my cutting machine, I click on the edit button. This message just basically confirms that the original file will not be changed, and and when you save the project, it will be saved in your projects rather than back into the original file. So just click OK, and that will then load the files onto your cutting mat ready to edit. I'll be covering editing later in this course. For now, I will head back, click on the thumbnail again, and let's take a look at that video that's mentioned. So you would click on the link, it would then open up in YouTube, and you can obviously play and watch it. And when you're ready, you can obviously come back to Canvas Workspace to carry on. The recipe PDF, you click on it, it will open in another browser window, and as I mentioned, it will give you information about what you need, what to cut, and how to assemble the project. This one's quite short. Obviously, more complex projects will have more pages. And that's everything that you get within this one project. If we select another, let's say for example this bird cutout card, we can see that we have again the preview. In fact, this time we have several preview images as we have the scrolling gallery. We have the video, the recipe, the option to download all of the parts, and of course all of the elements that go to make up this project.